How to turn on read receipts on WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, read receipts are these two check marks that appear on a message that lets you know whether the other person has read your message or not. If I clicked and hold on the message, then clicked on the info icon, it shows you that if these two check marks are blue, it means that the message has been read. If the two check marks are gray, it means that the message has been delivered but not read yet. And in order to turn on this functionality, so you can know whether the other person has read your message or not, all what you need to do is click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then click on settings, and then click on account, privacy, and from the first section, the who can see my personal info section, at the end of the section you see read receipts, and it has a toggle next to them which is turned off. So what you need to do is you need to click on the toggle to turn it on, and this way you will be able to see whether the other persons have read your message or not, and they will be able to also see whether you have read their messages or not. So it works both way. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable read receipts in WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.